Hola! Today we're bringing a wonderful, comforting soup for the winter time. It's a classic Spanish-style garlic soup called Sopa Castellana or Sopa de Ajo. So, let's get started. This is a classic recipe which should be in the museums of gastronomy. Actually, this is something that shepherds used to make with any means they had around. Some stale bread and maybe some garlic and spices. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to slice the garlic into big pieces, and now the meat. It can be some cured meat like cured ham or else. Now we're gonna get some bread. As I said before, it can be some stale bread, or if it's not stale, you can just toast it a little bit. As you can see, I'm cutting it into big slices. Now we're gonna prepare the pan with some olive oil and we're gonna fry the garlic. We don't want it to burn at all. So we're gonna do this quickly and we're gonna do it in a medium fire. Now we're gonna add our meat and we're gonna mix it all together quickly. And immediately we're adding the bread and we're gonna let it absorb all the oil and the flavors. And last but not least, we're gonna add the paprika. But we have to be very quick and we have to leave this for the last one because these burns very quickly. Now I move the pan away from the fire because I don't want the paprika to burn, and I'm adding the water. And after the water, you can add as much salt as you want. Same thing for some black pepper. Add it at taste. Now we mix it all together and we're gonna close it and we're gonna leave it like that for approximately 15 minutes in a medium fire. Now it smells wonderful and that's the final touch. Well, I'm making this for 2 people, that's why I'm gonna add 2 eggs. You can mix them in the soup, but I prefer having these in a more traditional way, just separate eggs without touching them. I'm just gonna let them sit there for like 5 minutes till they're cooked. And now they're ready, so they come as a whole. That's easier for service indeed. 1 per person. Now it's time for service. I'm going to first of all put the ingredients, the meat and the bread. And then I'm gonna add the stock afterwards, and last but not least, 1 egg per person. Now it looks and smells beautiful, so it's the moment of truth. With a little bit of egg and all the ingredients, I'm gonna, oh, it's very hot. Gonna taste it. It's gorgeous, delicious. It's a superb soup for the winter time. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. Adios.